Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to extract data from PDF files using the UiPath. Initially what I have did is, I have provided an input dialog box inside the sequence that I was building. This is for most of us have dealt with the situations where we have to process PDF files without images. In UiPath, we got separate activities to handle both cases. I have created two variables, PDF test only and PDF with images, to provide the options for user to input the type of their PDF file. And the user input will be the output of the input dialog box activity, and it will be stored to the PDF type variable. The next step is to create a flowchart which will make decision as per the input that has been given. Let's look at how this flowchart works. If PDF is test only format, then flow will be directed to this sequence. Inside the sequence, you have to drag and drop read PDF test activity. If you are using this activity for the first time, it may be not available to you. In that case, you have to go to Manage Package section to install the PDF activities to your UiPath project. Select all packages and here search for the PDF activities. Select this one and click Install and save the package. Now PDF activities will be available to your project. Let's search the activity. To read the PDF file of this one, read PDF with test activity. Mention your PDF file name here and create an output variable to store the extracted data. Let's name it as PDF output. Here the range defines the number of pages you want to extract data. If you want to extract data from entire page, then let it be all. Instead, you want to extract data from specific page, for example 2 to 4, or want to extract from only single page, mention that page. To view the extracted data, we can write it on a test file. For that, drag the write test activity. In our case, the input is the extracted data from the PDF and it has been stored to PDF output variable. So input that variable here. Mention the file path. Let's name it as file1.txt. So we have completed the sequence for extracting test only from the PDF. Let's run and see. Here, select the option PDF test only. The execution has now completed. Let's go and check the test file. This is the PDF that we have used to extract the data. Let's compare the PDF test with the extracted test. Have a look. We have all the data extracted except the heading 1 and heading 2 because those one are images. So we do require an OCR engine to extract data in that context. In order to implement that, let's move to the sequence PDF with images. From the activity panel, drag and drop read PDF test with OCR. Here also mention the path of the PDF file. In addition to that, you should use the OCR engine that's available to you. Let's search for an OCR engine. I will choose this TestRat OCR engine. You can use whatever is available to you. Use the PDF output variable to store the output from this activity. The same procedure is repeated here as well. The only difference is, here we are using an OCR engine to extract data as it contains the images. Using the write test activity, we will be able to view the data on a test file. Now we have completed the UiPath workflow for extracting PDF data that contains the images. Let's save our work and run the board. The execution has finished. Now we will go and check the test file. Have a look. Headings 1 and 2 are also extracted. Those were the image data. That's all for this video session. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.